Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This session I am going to discuss about how to find the smallest number in a given array. So this program comes under 8086 microprocessor. Here I am taking 7 memory location. Out of 7 memory location, the first memory location 1100 is declaring number of input values used in the program. So in this program I am using 6 datas. This 6 data considered as an input value. Remaining 6 memory location, it hold the input data 4E, 2D, 30, 98, AC, FE. So out of these 6 values, which one is very smallest value? That we will find with the help of the program. The output result is stored in the memory location 1200H. This memory location is hold the output value. So out of these 6 values, the smallest value is 2D. This 2D is stored in a memory location 1200H. Now I will go to explain the program sequence. The first instruction is ORG 1000H. So this instruction represents fix the program counter value. So after execution of this instruction, program counter value is set to be 1000H. That's the initial address location of the program. The next instruction initializing the source index register value move SI, 1100H. So this value is a 16-bit value. After the execution of this instruction, the 16-bit value is transferred to source index register. Now SI value is 1100H. The third instruction move DA, 1200H. Here the 16-bit value, this immediate value is transferred to DA register. After the execution of this instruction, destination index value is 1200H. So for you are initializing the program counter value, initializing the source index value and destination index value. Then move CL, within bracket SI. Here the SI content is 1100H. This value is point within a bracket. So this bracket is represent, it considers address location. So in this address location, whatever data is present, here 1100H is the address location. In this address location, the data is 06. This value is transferred to CL register. So after execution of this instruction, CL register content is 06. Then increment SI. Now increment the SI register value. So after execution of this instruction, SI register value is 1101H. Then move AL, within bracket SI. Here the SI value is 1101H. I already told this value is represent within bracket. If within bracket any value is present, it considers address location. So in this address location, it carry the data 4E. This 4E value is transferred to AL register. After execution of this instruction, AL register content is 4E. Now decrement CL. So after execution of this instruction, CL content is decrement by 1. Now this value is 05. INC SI. So INC represent for increment SI. So once again you increment the source index value. After execution of this instruction, source index register value is 1102. Just increment the memory location, you get the second data. Move BL, within bracket SI. Now SI content is 1102. This content is represent within a bracket. So it's considered as a memory location. In this memory location, it hold the data 2D. After execution of this instruction, this 2D is transferred to BL register. AL register content is 4E, BL register content is 2D. Now you compare AL register value and BL register value. Just you comparing the two register content, you can get three possibilities of result. AL value is greater than BL, AL equal to BL, AL is less than BL. So based on the comparison statement, the carry value set may be set or reset. So these informations I already explained in the 8086 microprocessor instruction. If you have any doubt, kindly refer the video. Here now comparing AL register with BL register, AL and BL. So AL value is 4E, BL value is 2D. Just comparing the two result. Here AL is greater than BL. Carry is 0. There is no carry present in the comparison statement. Then JC ahead. So after comparing, the carry value is 0. So once the carry value is 0, the condition is false. It execute the next instruction. Move AL, BL. So whatever value present in BL register, this content is transferred to AL. So now AL content is 2D. AL content is 2D. Then decrement CL. So decrement the CL register content. Now 04 is the CL register. You just check the condition J, N, Z. So CL value is 0 or non-zero value. Now CL value is non-zero value. The condition is true. The program counter is load the memory location again. So it comes here. Increment SI. So once again increment the source index value 1103. Move BL, SI. Now SI value is 1103. So it's considered as a memory location. In this memory location, the data is 30. Now BL register content is 30. This 30 is transferred to BL register. Once again, you compare AL register content with BL register content. So AL value is 2D, BL value is 30. So here AL is less than BL. Carry is said to be 1 in this case. So once carry is set, this instruction is true. After execution of this instruction, this condition is true. The program counter goes to here. Decrement CL. Now CL value is decremented by 1. So after decrementing, CL register content is 03. So once again check whether the CL register content is 0 or non-zero value. Here also non-zero, the condition is true. The program counter is load the memory location again. So increment SI 1104. So after incrementing, the SI content is 1104. So once again, the 1104 memory location, the content is transferred to BL register. 1104 is a memory location. So in this memory location, the data is 98. So this 98 is transferred to BL register. Now you compare AL, BL. So AL value is 2D, BL value is 98. So AL is less than BL. Now carry is said to be 1. So once carry is said to be 1, this condition is true. So while this condition is true, the program counter is load the memory location a high, decrement CL. So after decrementing, the CL register content is 02. Once again check whether the CL content is 0 or non-zero. It's a non-zero value, condition true. Program counter is load the memory location again. 1105. 1105. So in this memory location, the data is AC. So after execution of move BL, within bracket SI, the AC value is transferred to BL register. Then you compare AL register, BL. So AL value is 2D and BL register content is AC. Here AL is less than BL. Carry said to be 1. So the condition is true. The program counter load the instruction here, decrement CL. So CL value goes to 01. The condition is true. Again the program counter comes here. Increment SI. Now the memory location is 1106. So move BL, within bracket SI. So SI value is 1106. It's considered as a memory location. In this memory location, you hold the value FE. This FE is transferred to BL register. So compare AL register with BL register. AL content is 2D, BL content is FE. So in this case also AL is less than BL. Now carry is said to be 1. The condition is true. Let's go to here, decrement CL. So after decrementing, CL register content is 0, 0. JN is again. This condition is false because CL register content is 0, 0. Then it execute the next instruction move TA comma AL. So whatever value present in accumulator, this content is transferred to DA register. So AL register content is 2D. Within bracket DI value 1200 is considered as a memory location. So after execution of this instruction, AL value is 2D. This content is transferred to the memory location 1200. The final instruction is halt. So halt represent for end of the instruction. So I hope you understand this concept. So how to find the smallest number. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and get the upcoming videos. Thank you.